I was speaking with my brother.
O'n i'n siarad gyda...
O'n i'n siarad gyda fy mrawd i.
I was...
No, you're immediately going into, oh no, I didn't get it.
I really didn't want to do that. That's one I should have...
So you need to train an alert to go off every time you hear the word should.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Should is judgment. Should is comparing yourself to some mythical perfect learner somewhere who you don't know and you will never meet. So what will really help you is to think in terms of, well, of being very non-judgmental about what your brain is doing. So when your brain doesn't give you fy mrawd i, that doesn't mean it's a bad brain, it doesn't mean you're a bad person, it doesn't mean any of the negative things we think about not getting things right. What it means is your brain hasn't finished encoding it yet. And that's fine, because it's a process. It's not meant to happen straight away. The first time you hear something new, you're not meant to remember it forever. It's an encoding process. When you can't produce it, that's just a little piece of information saying, we need to listen to this again. And then when you listen to it, which happens immediately, your brain encodes a little bit more about it and you're a little bit closer to nailing it. Yeah?
I can't remember how to say what I want to say.
Dwi ddim yn... Why is this so... No, it's fine. It's fine.
I was speaking with a young man who's going to help you.
O'n i'n siarad gyda yn dyn ifanc sy'n mynd i helpu ti.
O'n i'n siarad gyda dyn ifanc sydd yn mynd I dy helpu di. That was a 12-word sentence and a complicated one with lots of different little moving bits in it. Rakie, you're doing absolutely brilliantly. And just always remember from here on in what a good job we do of undermining ourselves.
Yeah.
And how far from reality it is.
Diolch.
I feel like dancing.
I was speaking with someone who wants to ask you something.
O'n i'n siarad gyda rhywun sy'n mwyn cofyn
Siarad gyda rhywun sydd yn
rhywbeth I ti.